Good morning, guys. It's 6:24 a.m. and we are in New York, and today I decided to do a quick video about my skincare routine and preparations before going to my modeling job. I decided to show you also the things that I use when I travel, just because a lot of the modeling that I do always kind of takes me to different places and I don't necessarily always have my stack of things. But this is really all about skincare routine. When you go into a shoot, obviously there's a makeup artist there, there's a whole team to make you look beautiful. So all I really want to achieve is to make sure that I come with clean, fresh face, looking like a snack. Do people say that? Looking like a snack?
Yes, they do.
Oh my god, I feel so cool!
You're welcome with your beautiful voice.
Oh, well, yeah, Emma's in the other room. She's just woke up because I'm talking to myself and she's like, what the hell is going on here? So, good morning, Emma!
Good morning.
So first I wanted to say a huge thank you to Towel Clean. Towel Clean is a facial brush that basically exfoliates your face. I'm sure that you've seen these around. What I love about this one is, first of all, it's really small, so it's easy to take with you anywhere if you travel. But what I really like is the fact that it's actually the only product that has a dryer and UV light inside the base. So after you use it, you put it down and it kills 99% of bacteria, which we don't realize, but we keep using these brushes, we don't clean them properly, bacteria is getting all up in there, and then it causes acne. So this is something that I feel is pretty revolutionary in the market for a facial brush. It's super easy to use. It has a few different functions. I'm gonna be using this sensitive skin brush, and I'm gonna also be using on a sensitive setting. I just kind of want to wake up my face, exfoliate it a bit, and kind of gear it up for a full day of wearing makeup and getting touched up and la-di-da-di-da. So I'm gonna start, and I'm gonna be using my cleanser. So I made it a little wet, and I'll be using my OSEA Ocean Cleanser. You can use any of your favorite cleanser. There's an area right in the middle to just apply the product in. God, I love travel size products. Work! And all you do is put it on the sensitive setting. So I usually sleep with my little night oil at night. This one with the Biossance Squalane and vitamin C rose oil. So I do have oil on my face. So I want to make sure that I take it all off before I apply the rest of my products. Make sure when you use facial brushes that you don't push into your skin too much. Just let the brush lead you. You just need to go around your face, and it pauses when it's time to move to another part of the face, so it's easy to know where you're at there. If you guys are looking for a face brush, I have a discount code for you in the description box, so you guys can check it out. Thank you, Towel Clean, for sending this awesome product and for sponsoring this video. Okay, once I'm done with this, I'm gonna wash my face and take out the cleanser and all the stuff that this brush helped take out. Another thing that maybe a lot of you do know, but when you clean your face, make sure you pat the towel on your face rather than pull it. A lot of people don't realize how much we pull, and it's difficult for the skin to resist it. So let's make sure everything stays out. Once I'm done with my cleanser and with my brush, I'm gonna use a toner. This is from Lee CoQ10 toner. I took it because it's travel size. I couldn't get anything else in my bag. Usually I'll use my rose water, but it was too big to carry. I like to, again, wake my face up a bit by tapping, waking up. I have a little friend that came to visit. I actually been using this one ointment my facial lady gave me, and it's awesome. It's been kind of drying it. So as a model, when you go to photo shoots, you really want to make sure that you as clean canvas as possible. So your nails, there's no color in them, they're nicely done. Obviously your toes as well. Your skin is fresh, your hair is clean. You want to look as professional as possible and make everything easier for the team to do. There was one time it was such a bad experience because it's very important for me to always like show up and be super professional. So one time I showed up, I forgot that I had red nail polish. Can I tell you how long it took for 4 people to take off red nail polish? It got like smeared all over everywhere. My toes were all red. It was, oh my god, it was terrible, and it taught me a big lesson. First of all, don't put red nail polish on your toes. Second of all, make sure you look at your toes before you go to work. I know it's a weird lesson to learn, but trust me, you need that lesson. I didn't want to bring any creams or anything with me, so I brought this Kora Noni Radiant Eye Oil, but I actually use it as just a face oil in general. I really like that it's small, it's easy to apply, and that's gonna be my moisturizer. Usually when you get to set, the makeup artist, they kind of put more moisturizer on you and make sure that you are hydrated. So I like to kind of put oil before I go to work, make sure that it all soaks into my skin and my skin is as soft and dewy as possible. I'm just gonna put it also around the eyes because it is an eye oil. Again, with oils, you want to pat them into your skin because you want to get them to soak in and penetrate your skin as much as possible. So this is the best way to apply oils on your skin. Okay, once I'm done with this, to kind of bring these down a bit because I didn't sleep so well, I brought my Golden Snail Hydrogel eye patches. You can honestly use anything that has a cooling effect on your eyes. That's really all it is. So while I'm gonna brush my teeth and get dressed, I'm just gonna have these on to help with the puffiness under my eyes. There's a lot of really awesome brands out there for eye patches. I'm gonna link some of my favorite below, but this one I bought on Amazon and I think it does the job. Am I want some eye patches, girl?
Sure.
Yeah, we're gonna walk into that set like queens. This is it. This is all you need. This is literally all the products I traveled with. This is the drying ointment that I mentioned before that my facial lady gave. It's a company called Rosa Active Pure, and it's kind of a concentrated fluid that helps with these pimples. I don't know if you can purchase it online. I'm gonna try to look it up for you guys. All I do is I kind of tap it on the area of the pimple, and it usually goes away within 2 to 3 days, which is wonderful. And I like that it didn't develop into like a whitehead. Now I'm gonna brush my teeth and I'm gonna moisturize my body and get dressed, and we're ready to go and get some decaf coffee, which is such a joke. Why does there decaf coffee even exist? It doesn't do anything. Do you have a toothpaste? Never forget the deodorant. And then the Cocokind moisture stick, love it. I always like to take a kit with me when I go to the shoots. I have my deodorant, I'll have my moisture stick, and then I'll have my dry shampoo just in case, and this magical thing. This I discovered maybe 3 years ago, and you can get it at Sephora or online. It's called like the Magic Eraser, and basically it's a cloth and you don't have to put anything on it. So when I'm on the go and I know that after, like, we have a flight to catch after the shoot, I want to take all my makeup off, all I need to do is wet it with some warm water and just put it on my skin, and it takes everything off, and I can just then use my toner and some oil and I'm good to go. So this is definitely a staple in my beauty kit forever. These on for a little bit longer because why not? I forgot my, how do you call the thing that you brush your hair with? Hairbrush. Hairbrush, that's it? English is so simple. I forgot my hairbrush, so I'm just gonna pretend that I wanted to go for these loose, nonchalant waves. This is it! Yay! Now the only thing that needs to be done is a little pep talk. Who looks tired? You look tired. Who's amazing? You're amazing. You're gonna have the best day ever. You too, Emma. You'll have the best day ever. And now we are off.